Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are not going to talk about more into technology stuff or all those kinds, but we are going to talk about Twitter's new things which they brought during this next 16 days. Like now we in the period of 16 days, which is started from November 25th to December 10th. So I'll be talking about those things. So like Twitter come up with lots of new custom emojis. So on occasion of this International Day of Elimination of Violence Against Women, which was on November 25th, and for the upcoming International Day of Human Rights Day, which is on December 10th, to keep this as a good thing and to create lots of awarenesses and so Twitter came with lots of custom emojis, different hashtags and so yeah, I'll be just discussing about those stuffs in this video. So the first thing is, like, before talking about those things, I'll give a small info like which Twitter has published openly, that after this lockdown, like a lockdown which started in India during March. So during this lockdown periods, due to coronavirus and stuff, like lots of domestic violences against women and lots of harassments and everything is happening, not only in India but around the world. So nearly, if you take 1 month, there are nearly 1 million tweets related to those stuffs or those messages related stuffs on Twitter alone. So this is the data which is officially given by Twitter as well. And in addition to that, the Twitter is also saying, like, when compared to the messages like related to this harassment and domestic violence and so, during this lockdown time, the number of messages, like the number of tweets has been increased when compared to the period where there was no lockdown. In the sense, like, around the world there is lots of issues which is going on. So I thought, like, I'll make some small stuff via this video. So that's it. So the first thing is they have brought lots of custom emojis, like custom things, like you can do like hashtag 16 days, hashtag human rights day, orange the world and so on. So I'll put all those hashtags in the comment, like in the description, like you can check it out. So those things are quite good. You can do lots of things and you can like create some awareness from your side. So that's it. So the next thing is what Twitter is doing is, this video, like this content is quite good because like Twitter is saying that they'll give lots of new ads and everything for NGO companies, that is non-governmental organization companies, where they'll be having some aim related to some bringing some awareness to the peoples and so like for those peoples, like I would suggest you, if anyone is watching this video, then I would suggest you to start a Twitter account. I think so, like you may have a Twitter account right now, but what I'm saying is do all your campaigns, messages, marathon events and everything on Twitter as well, because like when you take other social media platforms and Twitter is far like better when compared to other social medias. Like other social medias is purely for entertainment stuffs, like all those kinds of stuff, whereas if you take Twitter is purely of informatives, like different kinds of people you can meet on Twitter, all top business peoples, top officials, top peoples, like everyone will be on Twitter. In the sense, you can tag anyone on Twitter and you can give your messages. So that is what the main thing is. Irrespective of other social medias, like when you send the message, it may or may not be delivered, or they may or may not see your message, and the reply and everything will be an issue when you compare to other social medias. But whereas on Twitter's, like you can do anything you want. That is the main thing which I'm saying here. So like if anyone, like any NGOs or any people working in NGOs are watching this video, then I would suggest you to open a Twitter account and start doing your creating awareness and stuff. Paka, it will be a success. So that's the thing. And in addition to that, the company is also giving you some additional the grants and so, but they have not given a clear-cut idea like how it's going to work. But currently they have given a statement that they will help NGOs to use this Twitter platform as some good source. So that's it. So the next thing is during the 16 days like period from November 25th to December 10th, the company is planning to bring lots of new stuffs. Like they told during this period they'll bring lots of new awarenesses, they'll bring lots of new campaigns, messages and so. But currently it is going on in one part, but on the other side, lots of people are using this hashtags, they are doing lots of comments, they are talking about tweets, like what is going on around the world. So, like because this domestic violence against women and people, gender inequality and so on, so is still going on around this world. So like we have to stop it. Like if we are not stopping it, then who else can do it? So that's the thing which is happening around the world. And this emojis has been launched in different countries, like almost 24 countries, in where India is also there, and other 23 countries will be some top countries and source. But the main thing for making this video is, suppose like if someone is watching this video where they really need some help and they don't know what to do, but still like they need some help. It may be related to any case or any issue, and so you can always use a hashtag named as there is help. So this is what I'm saying here. There is help. You can keep it on Twitter. You can tweet to anyone. Like you can just post your message, and pakka there will be some people who's going to come and sort your problem. So this is what the main thing which I'm saying in this video. So basically, if you're from any country, if you have any issue and any problem, you can solve it. Just don't lose your hope. Try to get some hope. Try to get some help. Your problem will be solved. So that's it about this full video. So this is nothing more. It is just like an informative video. That's it. So like hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.